Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to delete your Botim account easily on your phone. First, open the Botim app and log into your account. Once you're in, tap the Me icon at the bottom right, then go to Account and select Manage My Account. Next, tap Delete My Account. You'll be asked to pick a reason for deleting your account. Just choose any reason. After that, confirm by tapping Delete My Account again. And that's it, your account and data will be permanently removed, and there's no way to undo it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.